Hi, I'm James from the Nature Conservation Trust of New South Wales, and today we're here at the Sustainable Living Festival talking about conservation on private land, and we're doing that in conjunction with the Trust for Nature Victoria and the Tasmanian Land Conservancy as well. So what we do is we encourage landowners to take out covenants on their land to protect the native plants and animals, and we also offer properties for sale, rural properties for sale that come with a covenant on them, and they acquire those properties and they protect the native plants and animals on them.